friends. I thought I would share some more costuming behind the scenes from this Spring Floral magical Alice and Wendy shoot with Amber. But before we can even get to the dresses, I wanted to share this because this is how I started. I had this vision of us as Alice and Wendy in Neverland. It had been raining so much and the flowers were all in bloom and it was so gorgeous. So I was inspired to bring flowers into our costuming by creating these sort of floral, like little mini bouquets, like little floral kind of pieces that we would add to our hair and our costuming and around us in the shoot. If you know me, you know I am obsessed with adding fake flowers onto everything, especially my costumes. So this is pretty normal for me. Usually I am attaching them directly onto a costume, but this is actually, I don't know, I think a pretty great hack for if you have a costume that you want to update temporarily, but you also want to have the option of wearing the costume later without, you know, this sort of added detail. Put them on hair clips, put them on pins, you know, you can literally even bobby pin them to your outfit temporarily, and it really updates the look and gives you, you know, a really whimsical and beautiful, unique style to your cosplay. And bonus, in the meantime, you can use it as home decor like I did here. Hot glue and pretty things. You've got this, you can do it. It's so easy. And by the way, I did just start a new Amazon storefront, so you can shop some of these items over there if you want to. Stay tuned for part 2.